In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly check how your formulas work here in Google Sheets. So if you are a beginner in using spreadsheets and you are using Google Sheets, quickly checking how a function works ensures correct syntax, helps choose the right function, prevents errors, and improves efficiency. It also reveals advanced features or optional arguments, enabling faster, more accurate function usage for tasks without trial and error. Whenever you start a formula, you always start with the equal sign. There you have it. And if you try and type in some letter, whichever function starts with that letter is suggested at the bottom right here. If you keep on typing, it will continue coming up with suggestions of what function you might want to use. Let's say we want to use the SUMIFS function. Right there on the left side, you'll see that question mark, which will give you more details on what the SUMIFS function is all about. So if you click on that, or if you press on the F1 right there, you'll see all the details about that specific function. Here at the top, you'll see right away what your formula is for this specific function. And right below, we have some examples on how you can use it, the definition of the function itself, and more details about the elements inside your formula. If you want to learn more about this function, how to use it, and more examples, you can always click on the Learn More right here. Once you do that, you have your Help tab at the right open up, again with the SUMIFS function details, where it has the definition, some advanced features where you can use this function, sample usage, your syntax, and the definitions of other functions that may be related to this specific function. And there you have it. So that's how to quickly check how your formulas work here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.